Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing you what is in our mystery tackle box that we got for this month of July. Alright, so everybody, as you saw before, we have our mystery tackle box right here. I'm going to open this bad boy up. I have not seen what's in here yet, so I shall see when I see. Alright, let's see what we got. I'll show you everything. Here's this little like thing. Okay. Here's everything that's in there. You can pause the video if you want to. Here's a sticker that came. I love this sticker. Alright, the first one that we have is a Voodoo swim bait here. Probably said it wrong, but there it is. Okay. The second thing is this thing. It looks like a mini bucktail. Okay. This is shrimp fly rig. Right there. We got some 3/8 ounce jig heads. Right there. We also got this hard bait, the hen cliff. I don't really know what that's called, but there it is. Z-Man little baits here. Okay. And then we got these. Alright, so one more thing. And then the box is empty. It is this little spoon here. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. See ya.